everybody, Rosie here for another episode of Minecraft.
Hey!
And this random voice you hear is Ender. And I decided to be a wizard for today.
We are going to play some survival games.
So this, as you know, is our friend Songbird. And so, what game do you want to play? Wait, let me guess. Survival games. That's what we were talking today, and I was like, so do you want to be in a video? She's like, yeah, sure. And so I'm like, okay, we're going to go to the Hive for one. Which one do you want to do? She's like, survival games, please, let's do a survival game. She went insane.
And I'm just letting you know that my skin is really weird with the prison skin, because I tried to change it, but it wouldn't change, so I'm just going to be looking like this today.
Hey, everyone, check this out. Okay, I'm going to fire the thing, and then I'm going to walk through it. It's so cool. Okay, so let's get on to it. Oh, and, you guys, be sure to check out our blog. So it's rosandgigi.blogspot.com. That'll be in the description if you forget that, because I've got really bad memory. So if you're like me, then you can't remember anything. So yeah, let's get started. Where are you?
I'm in the Hive.
Okay, well go to the survival games area.
I am. Wait, which game do you want to do? Let's do let's do 105. Go to 105.
Okay.
Let's do
105. Okay, go to 105. Got it. Okay, so I'm gonna look. Hopefully it's not full. Wait, what does that say? 105, 105, come on.
It's on the front wall.
Oh, 102, 103, 104. Okay, 105, got it.
Yay!
Yay! So, okay, do you want to do truce? Let's do truce. Truce. Yeah.
I made some promises though.
Hey! That's not very nice. Hey, dude, no, team up. Team up. Wait, no. I was trying to. Team up.
This is what I look like, so.
Yeah, punch you! She looks like a prisoner, doesn't she, everyone?
Team forever. Team forever.
Kill to escape. I put to kill to escape Pacific.
You are awesome.
Yeah, die! I really wish.
No, I'm not in a prisoner.
Oh. Hang on, wait.
I have not put them. Climbing a tree. I am climbing trees. Yes. I'm in a tree. Oh.
Kill the escape songbird bear.
Yes.
Where did she go?
Not here.
Where did you guys go? Hey, that's not nice.
I see you.
You see me? Where are you?
I'm in a tree.
You're in a tree. Well, where are there? I don't see any. Wait.
It's a big tree. Oh no.
Okay, wait. Look around. Try to. Oh, I see you. Turn around. Turn around. Hi. Hey. Okay. Meet me behind this thing I'm pointing to. Meet me behind the thing I'm pointing to now. There.
Yes.
Yeah. So meet me there. Okay. All right. I just hold down W till it finally lets me go. Let me go!
No, hey, Songbird.
I don't know.
Oh, I see her.
Oh yeah, she's right there.
Hey.
Okay. 13,
Who's that?
12, 11, 10. I've got a great thing. You guys can use this. 7.
I'm running away.
I never win with it because people find me out, but it's a great place to hide. Okay, first we have to wait till everyone is gone. Meet me behind the thing. Oh man, I've got the lag.
I'm running away.
Okay, now press shift so no one can see your name tag.
I'm running away. I need stuff. That gave me nothing.
I can't, whoa, what's going on? Okay. Where is everyone? I don't,
You know what, the little baby.
uh,
You don't know where I am. I'm sorry.
whoa, what's going on? Oh man, I've got bad, I'm already dead. Oh no.
I still don't have a weapon. All I have.
I don't have anything.
I do. Yes, I do. I do have a weapon. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, I have an idea. I have to get up here. Okay, you guys should use this. It's great for this thing.
Wait, I have a weapon for you.
Oh, you do? Okay, hang on, wait. Look up from the,
Oh, I ran away really far.
oh man. Well, I see one person.
I'm really far away, so yeah.
Team, I really don't want to die this quickly.
No, don't die.
No, he's trying to kill me. I said team.
No.
I'm dead. Are you kidding me?
Don't ever try.
Should we cut that part out of the video? Because that was pathetic.
That saved me. That saved me. That saved me, please. I can't see you.
That's because I'm dead.
Can you see me?
Wait, where? What? I can't see you because I'm dead.
Wait, can you see me?
Oh, I'm not there. Sorry. I should have probably stayed. Oops. Can we play Cowboy versus Indians next?
Yeah, we can. I'm just trying to get. I'm just going to wait for somebody. Yes! Yes! Oh, I'm gonna kill you, dude. I'm gonna kill you. Die.
Oh, wait, no.
No! You can't! No!
Did they kill you? I'm going to fast forward the video until everything's all sorted out. So hang on a second. Hey guys, we're back and we got into Cowboys and Indians and oops, wrong button. I like China. Vote for China. It's awesome. It's so pretty. Okay.
Pretty hard, though.
Waiter. I love to do this. Waiter. No, look. I'm. Ha. Oh wait, there's only 2 seconds left. Okay. Are you a cowboy or Indian?
I'm a cowboy.
Okay, let me see what I am. I have red boots. I think that means I'm a cowboy too, right? Oh yeah, I see you. Hi. Okay. Do you want to stay here and protect the base, or do you want to go out and, you know, like, fight?
Okay. What you're supposed to do is try to get the other team's leader. They are.
Yeah, I know. But do you want to, like, stay here and watch the base, or do you want to go and...
So I'm gonna stay here and watch them.
Okay. I'm gonna, go and fight some people, but then I'll be back, okay?
Okay.
I usually watch the base, but right now I just want to go and... I'm really good with a bow and arrow. Well, fairly good. I'm okay. Oh, I see someone.
I'm protecting the. No, get away.
I've got lag.
You're so stupid.
They're running right past me. I thought they were going to come fight me. No, they're coming. Some people are coming. 2 people. Okay, be careful, be careful, be careful. They're coming, they're coming, they're coming. No, come back. Okay, I'm going to go. They're going circled around. Hang on. All right. What am I doing? Oh my gosh, he died? What? Where did they go? Which way did they? I think they went this way. Go, 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 go. What is AFK? I know that. What? Oh my gosh, no, 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 no. Look out, I'm coming to help you. Whoa, I've got lag. I've got lag. I've got lag. No, they're good. And I've got terrible lag. I think it's Screencast-O-Matic. I need to find a new...
Guys,
Where are you?
I was trying to protect the leader, and the leader was doing nothing, and he just sat still. And I kept trying to protect him, but he was like, no, I'm just gonna sit here and do nothing and try to protect myself. Nice. I'll never know.
I mean, that's what I think that's a smart idea so you don't like... Okay, I'm here. Okay, I'm crouching. I'm on the very edge.
I see you. Bye.
Aww. And it says Enderminer Girl has died and I see you. It says you just died.
Yeah, right.
Okay, tell me if you get anything. You know what? I'm just gonna come. I'm just gonna...
Oh, bro, you see those spears?
Oh no, I see them, I see them. Oh man, there are a bunch of people. I'm right here at the entrance.
No, I died.
Come back, come back, come back. We need to get them. There are a whole bunch of people. No, 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 no. Okay, I need to use... No, I didn't even get to use my own range. Okay, but I'm back here. So, ha. Wait. Leg, leg. No. Oh no. They're here. They're here.
That's way back.
I haven't done... Okay, the Indians are winning. We're doing terrible.
No, man.
We suck.
I'm looking for the leader to protect them.
Yeah, I'm always like the leader protector. Oh man, this is not going well. Oh no, I see someone. I see someone. I saw the name tag as I was lagged. For once, the lag came in handy. Where'd they go?
I see it. Yes.
What?
I see it. They're on our team. I just got one.
Oh, you did? That's great.
Our team got somebody. So our team has their leader. Our team has the leader.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Okay, get them. Get them. I've got your back. I've got your back.
I got it.
Ah, I died too. We're just great, aren't we? Aren't we? We're great. Hey, you come back here. No. No. Wait, where'd they go? Oh, there they are. I can't do anything because of my lag.
Okay.
Wait, they're invisible. They're invisible. Get them, get them, get them. I need to stay. I got lag. I'd probably just be worse.
I'm looking for the leader.
I don't know where they are. Where is our leader anyway?
I don't know. The Indians have to. If they get one more, they're gonna win.
Okay, I'm gonna go spy on them. I'm gonna go spy.
This is a pretty neat
I see some people having a long range fight. I'm gonna. Whoa! Someone's inside me. Okay, I see some people.
I'm looking for the captain. I'm looking for the yellow captain. Oh my god, it's so stupid. Get sprayed! Oh my god,
Oh, you died again.
my screen cut out. No, I hate it when that happens. Where's our leader? Whoever our leader is just so stupid because they're not staying where we can see.
Oh yeah. Okay. I think we have to end the video here because we've got like only a few seconds left. We need something other than Screencast-O-Matic. Oh no, someone's firing. I don't have time to end. It's just gonna automatically end, but I'm just gonna say thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and tell your friends, and we will see you later. Bye. Oh my gosh, we're so gonna. Oh my god, I ran out of arrows. Okay, that's it. Come here, punk. Come here, punk. Ah, ah.